So as you can already tell, we got the Momo steering wheel for the S2000. Look at the difference. Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Hope all of you have been good. But as you can see, today I'm already prepared. I got the top down on the AP1 S2000. Today we're gonna bring it back to the OG days with a little install. It's time to upgrade a little bit of the interior. So we are gonna be working on the steering wheel today. So I already went ahead and disconnected the battery to make my life easier. We dropped the top, more room, and y'all can see the goodies in there. Let's get started. Okay, so let's hop inside. Let's hop in the coupe. So my steering wheel is already straight. I'm already prepped, I'm ready to go. First thing you wanna do, so on the side of the steering wheel you have two covers for the airbag, like right over here. You just remove the covers. There will be some screws underneath. Remove that, and then you have access to the airbag. So let's get started. So this is one cover, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the screw on the camera, but it's a Torx bit. Just gotta do on the other side. So both covers are now off. So now I'm just gonna get my Torx bit set, and we're gonna remove these screws. Let's get it. So here's my Torx bit set. Shout out to Amazon, they come clutch. This one here is a T30 from my ratchet. Let's get this done.
5 minutes later.
So I got both screws out. So now the airbag should be able to come out. It's always a scary thing. You don't want it to hit your face, but be good. Look at that. It's just kind of heavy. All right, so far so good. We got the airbag out. Now it's time for the fun part. You need to get some big tools. We're gonna pull this out. The big dog. So we got the big dog out. Got the Glocky. What? We got the Milwaukee. Just gonna use this. I think it's a 14. Yep, perfect fit. We should get this out. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You guys already know the rules. Look at that. Oops. So easy when you use power tools. Just like that. Got that bolt out. Now for the fun part, I actually want to put this bolt back. Thread it in just a little bit. And now let's get this wheel off. So I know this might not be the best angle, but I don't got a cameraman, but here we go. Let's try and get this wheel off. Come on. Come on, steering wheel.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There we go. You just gotta give it some force. I had to close everything, give myself some room. We finally got it. Oh shit. So let's hop back in. Okay, so for today, we are going with a Works Bell hub, straight from Japan. Let's open it up. As you can see, it's for Hondas. So we got the Works Bell Rapfix short hub. Just open it up. You got your resistors for the airbag. Instructions is always Japanese. JDM parts. Put that sticker right there. Y'all can tell me what this means. Anyway, so now the important part. Here is the hub. Ooh, look at that, so shiny. So perfect. It's a short hub, and there you go. Okay, so I went ahead and put the Works Bell hub on. This is the indication that tells you that this is 12 o'clock, it's straight on. So you want to make sure everything is straight when you put this on. And yeah, so I lined it up. I'm gonna put the bolt back. and torque it down. Alright, so because this is an AP1, WorksBell gives you multiple airbag resistors, and I don't think this one right here is going to work for the AP1. The AP2 is a little bit different design. So I think this resistor in here, the green one, should work with this type of SRS setup. So I'm going to try and connect the green one and then put back the horn, and we should be good to go. So I hope this works. I'm literally just using the end of this and just putting it into the prong inside the yellow connector, and that should disable the airbag light. So hope we good. So we're making some progress. I tucked everything in, put this horn cable in. Now we gotta get the wheel and we should be done. I'm hoping everything works out straight. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Alright y'all, so it is a little bit messy in here. I did skip a few steps because I am trying to see if this setup works. I really do think I might need a quick release because there's just too many wires stuck into this short hub. I literally stuffed the whole short hub with wires, and as you can see, the horn is having a hard time staying. So I just want to see if this works. May have to add a quick release to this setup because it doesn't really fit. So what's funny is to do this, I am using the bolts that WorksBell provided. This Momo wheel didn't come with any steering wheel bolts, which is kind of weird, I think. But some Momos do come with steering wheel bolts, so it is what it is. Whew, so I'm not gonna lie, this job got me sweating a bit, but I think we all done over here. Look at the new Momo wheel. All we gotta do is put back the battery, try it out, see if there's any lights, see if the horn works. Fingers crossed, I really hope it works. But like I said, I might need a quick release setup just to install it properly. So let's try it out. Alright, for the moment of truth, let's try this out. I might have to continue this video another day, but look at all this room. Got so much room for my legs now, and I can still see the cluster. Some people say with the smaller wheel you can't see the cluster. We good, boy, we straight. Let's try it out. No SRS light. We did it. It works. Horn works. I swear the horn got louder. But yeah, we straight. New steering wheel. Let's get it. I'm amped, bro. I'm amped. Shit. Okay, squad, so it's a new day. Yesterday was a successful install. So today I'm finally going to give you my first impressions of the new Momo Mod 78. This is going to be my first drive, let you guys know how I feel about it, if it's the right wheel for you. And yeah, let's pull out the car, let's get started. It's a nice bright sunny day. Let's do it, let's go. Close the door. Oh boy, I'm going to get used to this view. Start the car. No lights. Alright, so we outside, the car is warmed up, time to go for a drive. I will be switching to the GoPro so we can get some better shots. And right off the bat, the wheel is a little bit heavier since it's smaller. But yeah, let's switch to the GoPro. Alright, so I hope this angle is nice, you guys can hear me well and clear. But yeah, we got the Momo wheel on, and like I said, I do need a quick release with this setup. I did buy the short hub with the intentions of getting a quick release. I'm just not too sure which one I should get yet. But if I hold my hands like this, it's way too close to the wipers and the signal, so I definitely need a quick release. So I gotta hold the wheel from the Bayden 4. But let's do a little pull today. Feels great. I know the pull doesn't tell you how the wheel feels, but it feels great. Definitely like this wheel. Race car vibes. Yeah, I definitely like the wheel. Feels really good in your hands. This is the Mod 78, so it's not as thick as the Momo Monte Carlo, but I think it still feels good. And you guys see I have the tag on here. I will take it off. It's kind of like when you get Air Jordans and you leave the tag on there. I kind of want to leave it, but I will take it off because it's all over the place. But yeah, so far it feels really good. I'm liking the leather on this wheel. Nice and comfortable in your hands. I have space for my legs. Just a solid upgrade. See everything, the cluster, the works bell hub is really good too. Just a solid mod, man, solid. So it's gonna take me some time getting used to this wheel, but yeah, I really like it. Already 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Feels quality, I like the leather. I really love the Momo logo on the wheel. Just solid, man. I recommend it. I'm happy with this purchase. And you see the steering wheel bolts and the horn button. I probably will upgrade it in the future, but for now I'm just happy to have the wheel on the car. Alright, so the GoPro kind of messed up my hair, but we good. We parked up. Car's looking really nice, and I'm really loving the new setup. Let's get some new shots of this thing. Look at that interior upgrade. Sheesh. So that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We finally got that interior upgrade with the wheel. Yeah, slowly but surely this car is getting better each time. I'm really enjoying the S. It's been so fun this summer. But yeah, please stay tuned for future content. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know what to do. Share the videos, keep supporting. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.